Be ready for the dictation. 5 seconds to go. Any metropolitan magistrate or judicial magistrate may, whether or not he has jurisdiction in the case, record any confession or statement made to him in the course of an investigation under this chapter or under any other law for the time being in force or at any time afterwards before the commencement of the inquiry or trial, provided that any confession or statement made under this subsection may also be recorded by audio, video, electronic means in the presence of the advocate of the person accused of an offense. Further, that no confession shall be recorded by a police officer on whom any power of a magistrate has been conferred under any law for the time being in force. The magistrate shall, before recording any such confession, explain to the person making it that he is not bound to make a confession, and that if he does so, it may be used as evidence against him, and the magistrate shall not record any such confession unless, upon questioning the person making it, he has reason to believe that it is being made voluntarily. If at any time before the confession is recorded, the person appearing before the magistrate states that he is not willing to make the confession, the magistrate shall not authorize the detention of such person in police custody. Any such confession shall be recorded in the manner provided in section 281 for recording the examination of an accused person, and shall be signed by the person making the confession, and the magistrate shall make a memorandum at the foot of such record to the following effect: I have explained to the person accused that he is not bound to make a confession, and that if he does so, any confession he may make may be used as evidence against him, and I believe that this confession was voluntarily made. It was taken in my presence and hearing, and was read over to the person making it, and admitted by him to be correct, and it contains a full and true account of the statement made by him. Any statement other than a confession made under subsection 1 shall be recorded in such manner hereinafter provided for the recording of evidence as is, in the opinion of the magistrate, best fitted to the circumstances of the case, and the magistrate shall have power to administer oath to the person whose statement is so recorded. In cases punishable under section 354 or section 509 of the Indian Penal Code, the judicial magistrate shall record the statement of the person against whom such offence has been committed in the manner prescribed in subsection 5 as soon as the commission of the offence is brought to the notice of the police, provided that if the person making the statement is temporarily or permanently, mentally or physically disabled, the magistrate shall take the assistance of an interpreter or a special educator in recording the statement. Further, that if the person making the statement is temporarily or permanently, mentally or physically disabled, the statement made by the person with the assistance of an interpreter or a special educator shall be videographed.